Time to make a golden face mask. Just gotta squeeze this gold bar for some liquid gold. That should be enough. Now to press the button. Ooh, look at that sparkly golden goodness. Excellent! My face mask is ready to use. Let me just put this on so it can start getting to work. 10 minutes should be long enough, I think. And done! Time to take it off and check the results. Whoa! It totally worked! My pimple's completely gone! And my face feels so soft and smooth, and this only cost $50.
Whoa! I definitely don't have that kind of money to spare. Hey, wait a second. I have this piece of lettuce. Might as well give it a try. What can it hurt anyway? It's nice and cool. And it has a fresh scent, so that's good. I wonder how long I should leave it on my face like this. The boss girl hates me. Huh? Oh, wow! I must have dozed off. Oh my gosh! My face! Ah! Snacks, snacks, snacks! I love snacks! Doesn't matter if they're salty or sweet, I want them all! Even fruits and veggies will work. And I'll wash it all down with milk. I love a good snacking session. Ooh, wait a second. Maybe I shouldn't have eaten so much. Or so fast. Or so many different things. This water should help. That's much better. Or not! Bathroom emergency! Out of my way! Phew. That's so much better. Now I can relax and watch my videos.
Ugh. That's much better. But oh no, there's no more toilet paper on this roll. If you think I'm trapped, think again. That's because I've got this manual bidet. It's super easy to use, too. I just set it on the toilet and add some water. There we go. That should be enough. Now I don't need to bother with toilet paper. I can just squeeze this bulb. The water works to keep everything clean. Ah, refreshing. And this bidet only costs $50. A total steal.
What? What a strange ad. Like, who needs a bidet? So weird. And those balloons? So funny. Wait. Huh? What happened to all my toilet paper? Crud. I'm trapped in here until I figure something out. Wait, there's my water bottle. Hey, and I have my hairpin. I've got a great idea. I'll just jab a hole right through the cap like this. And now I'll just use it on my own balloons. Ooh, it's so refreshing. I'm definitely a lot cleaner than before. But, well, I wouldn't say the room smells better. Time to leave. Let's see, I've got my hat. Now I need my jacket. Ha! David's videos are just the absolute best. I can't put my phone down. Ha! This one's a total riot. Whoa! Oh! Ouch! My head! Ow, that hurt so bad. Maybe I should have put my phone down. No, wait! David just fell too!
Ouch! Falling down is the worst! Why are my laces tied together like that? My poor head!
Ugh, David, I feel that.
You know what? There's definitely a solution to this problem. Just let me grab them. And here they are. Aren't they cute and colorful? Here, let me show you how they work. They're used to replace your laces. See? They're stretchy, so they can secure your shoe without tying. Not to mention they look pretty great, too. You can personalize your sneakers with the colors you choose. Aren't these just the best? And they only cost $40. Wow!
What? I've never even heard of these before. But I can't afford them. Hey, well maybe I can use these colored zip ties instead. So long, shoelaces. I'm replacing you with zip ties. Here we go. I'll just slide the end through the two holes. And then into the other end. Time to tighten it and then snip off the extra. There we go. I got the same effect with stuff I already had at home. No more falls for me. Now back to David's videos. Boring. Boring. Seen it before. There's nothing interesting to watch today. Oh hey, there's David. He's in early. You know, he's definitely pretty cute. I wish he had a new video to watch. Oh my gosh, he's doing it! He's removing his hat! He has the best hair ever. It's so dark and thick.
Oh, hey Molly. She's staring at me again. Weird.
Okay, that's it. Today is the day I make my move. David, hi!
Huh? What's that? Oh, it's Molly again. She clearly wants to talk to me. Sorry girl. You're not really in my league if you get my drift.
What? Is he talking about my clothing? What's wrong with it? Maybe if I watch one of his older videos, I'll understand what he's talking about. Ew, David, what are you wearing? That's way too plain. Goodbye.
Aw, man. She's totally right, though. But don't worry, I have a fix. That's right, I've got my own portable printer. Not only that, this one comes with its own app where I can pick the design. Smiley face it is. Now I'll just let it get to work. Here it goes. It's printing on my shirt. Just a little more and it's done. Excellent work, printer. Now my shirt isn't plain anymore. Oh, hey Claire.
Wow, David, where did you get that shirt? I love it!
And this can be yours for $50.
Well, there's no way I could afford something useful like that. I bet I could do something with the sign. Okay, let me give this a try. I've got my shirt, the sign, and some tape. I'll use the tape to make sure the sign stays in place. Perfect! And now that it's secure, it's time for the next step. I'll just pour some of this oil onto the backside of the paper sign. Ooh, I can already see the words. But I want to make sure I don't miss any of them. Now I just want to make sure that the oil is evenly spread. And now it's ready for me to peel off. Oh my gosh, look! The words totally transferred onto my shirt! This looks great! Time for me to put it on. Wow, I totally love this shirt! Okay, now's my chance to try again. David! Hi!
Huh? Ugh, it's Molly again. Didn't she get the message the first time? Wait, what's that? She's got a new shirt on. What does it say? No way, Molly! Check this out! Our shirts have the same message on them! That's bonkers, right? You wanna go get lunch with me?
Wait, me? Really? Yes! I'd love to!
Great! Let's head to the cafeteria.
Ooh, chips, don't mind if I do. So crispy. What else is around here that I can nom? Wait a second. Are those dirty dishes in the sink? Oh, you've gotta be kidding me. I guess I better do something about them. Got my gloves and sponge. This is not the way I wanted to spend my afternoon. Ugh, great. And now this spot won't come off either. Gross. What am I supposed to do? Just throw this plate away? Hey there. I'm gonna stay here forever. What? No way! I'm not gonna let this mess beat me! I've just gotta scrub even harder with all my tools! That's it! I hate you, Skane! Wait a second. Maybe the baseball bat isn't such a good idea. I should check David's videos. He might have something that'll help. Perfect! Here's one where he's doing dishes.
Ooh, I can't get this plate clean. I need something to help me out. Look at this! It's a rubber glove with a scrubber built right in. Yeah, this is great. It even feels nice against my face. But it's time to put it to work on this dirty plate. Yes! Look at that! The mess came right off the plate! You're seeing this, right? You can get gloves like this for $75.
Oh, $75? You've gotta be kidding me! Oh, I know. Where's my 3D pen? I know it's around here somewhere. There! The glove idea is a smart one, so I think I just have to make my own. I even have a glove already that I can use. Time to start adding some scrubber bits to my glove. That's a good length. And there! I filled the palm and fingers with them. I have to say, I'm pretty excited to try this out. I hope it works. Alright, Skane. This is the end of your time on the plate. Yes! It totally worked! The plate is perfectly clean now. Oh, right. There's still a bunch more dishes to do. Well, I guess I better get back to work then. What would you put on a blank t-shirt? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.